Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports and we're back with another vehicle walk around tour. Today we're going to be showcasing the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale, so if you're interested in learning more about it, if you want to set up a test drive, if you have any questions about anything that we cover here today or anything that we didn't quite cover, you can always reach us on our website, feldmannimports.com. So today we're just going to do kind of a brief overview, showcase some of the interior and exterior features. Just love the Mercedes Star grille. That's definitely a super nice feature there. Yeah, kind of a brief overview today, and then once again, if you want more in-depth information, just reach out to us. We'd love to chat. So I've got this really nice blue exterior. Inside we've got a nice black leather interior. Our driver's seat. Sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. On our door side here, we get a little bit of silver accents here as well. We do have heated and ventilated power memory seats, as well as the upgraded Burmester speaker package. All right, let's go ahead and hop inside. Alright, mileage on this vehicle is very low for a 2020 model, 6,017 currently. We do have a push button ignition. And you can see this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the dash, definitely a super nice feature here. This GLC 300 has a kind of a sportier version of the Mercedes steering wheel, got kind of the flat bottom, which is very similar to the AMG styling. And then we've got the digital touchpad style controls here, which are definitely super cool. I guess on the bottom right side here, we've got our volume controls as well as functions for Bluetooth and accepting or declining phone calls. We also have our home button, touchpad, and back button, which controls your main display here. So I just hit the home button there, which brings up all of the various applications that you can use. And then to actually make your selections, you just use this little touchpad and then push down when you're ready to make your selection. Behind that, we've got paddle shifters on both sides. We also have our Mercedes-Benz shifter here. So we'll just flip that up for reverse, which then activates our backup camera. So there's a ton of different cameras here that you can choose from. So it starts with the normal backup, but then you can do both sides. And you can actually, as you can see here, using the touchpad or the touch screen to fully rotate around. So you can see our show floor here with our turntable. Got other cars ready to do some photos of. The definition is it's just unreal how high definition it can be. You can see other cars here, and you could probably even, if I really wanted to, we could probably see like license plates and whatnot. It's definitely super high tech. Definitely pretty cool. Yeah, so you can save a GPS position, so the camera will automatically switch on. So say like if you wanted to set that up for your garage, then you could easily have it automatically turn on the camera so you can see, as you're parking. We've got a front camera, the rear camera. You got this overhead view, which is great. Definitely a big fan of that. We've got parking assistance, which is definitely super cool. Would love to show you how that works in person. And let's go back to our steering wheel here now. So once again, up for reverse, down for drive, and then push in for park. All right, now over here on our left side, we've got our cruise control settings here, and then another little interface, the home, touchpad, and back, just like the other side, but this controls the driver interface. So this is all fully customizable. So you can set this however you'd like. Really handy to keep like your navigation, for example, right here. Just kind of keep your eyes a little closer to the road. Pretty cool. Behind that, we've got our turn signal and wiper controls. And let's go back over to our display. All right, so we've got radio here, AM, FM, and whatnot. The main home button brings you to your navigation screen here. I'll also show you our comfort settings. So you got all kinds of different seat controls here. There's also ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. A little tricky to see, just kind of a bright day here on our turntable here, but fully customizable. So you can really set different zones and brightnesses. There's different effects you can have going on. Pretty cool. We also have our climate menu here. So you got your main climate controls always on the bottom, but then you can click that climate menu to access some more in-depth features. All right, below our display, we do have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. Got your cup holders, USB connections, little center console storage here with some additional USB connections. And looking up above, little tricky to see. There we go. So we've got our sunroof controls. So again, it's a digital touchpad, so you can go back, start to open your sunroof, and then move forward to close. All right, cool. Go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats here next. Heated seats here in the back as well as your Burmester speaker package. Leather seats throughout. Another quick peek up at that sunroof. And we'll do one more quick look back up front. All right. Coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. We have a power opening and closing trunk. Got some new all-weather mats ready here for you. Lots of trunk space, of course, but if you need a little extra storage room, got these little switches right here. Just flip that, and that drops your rear seats, so you got a little extra room. And you can see even the front seats even scoot ahead a little bit there to make sure that they fall down all the way. So then push button to close your trunk. And that, folks, is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. If you have any questions, want any additional information, or want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.